Oh, that is bleeding. Pushing some blood out.
Is it?
Yeah. So, guys and girls, I did use 11 round shader to line this line. So I didn't even use a liner to line it. It's, well, 11 shader. And anyways, big fat liner. And also the reason being is the tattoo I covered had a few of those really chunky lines. So it's easier to cover chunky lines with chunky lines. If you do some thin ones, they kind of get erased. So you need something big. The second is it's a massive piece. It was a full light spray, and then some stuff I drew extra to get it, and then it became almost bigger than it was. And there was a tattoo that she fucking hated, and then we actually did think to cover the thigh this morning. At least that's why I came with the idea. And then she pulls out from nowhere, like, "Oh, what about my leg?" You know. And then before we know, we're tattooing the bottom of the leg. And then I printed out a couple sizes, and then we realized, you know what, we need bigger size than we did. Then I increased the size, and then it works perfectly. A few things I drew extra just to make sure it covers. And what else? All this black is done with solid black. I did left some areas here and there where I could add some gray in there, so it's not just flat black. Just some inner corners. That's like for future. Also a little bit there, like little white edge there, so the front one stays more in front. And we will add more shading in the future. That's there. And then the fact that it goes onto the knee is also a feature. She loves it. We probably need like take photos of that, so you do remember.
Yeah, I love that. It goes over.
Yeah. And then she said, blast over that ear. And then also here, I was about to go behind it. She's like, nah, go on it. So I did, blasted that over. It's kind of like a cover up slash blast over, I guess. It's like merging both of them. For thin lines, I used 11 round liner, and then you can see how 11 round liner just looks tiny compared to the whole leg. So you have like a big canvas. You can't really do small little thin lines because it just looks lost. On the bottom, you can see you can't see what that is. Weird enough. So that's going to be covered up in the future. We're going to blast some leaves like that, and I'm going to use them on the bottom, and loads of line we're going to blast through, and that's going to be erased next time. If you could maybe turn the intersection. Yeah. And you can see it goes up to like there. Yeah. So there's knees there, and it goes above the knee. And this is horrible. Not just like bad, but fucking horrible. So we were just here, and I was like, you know what, literally where the blood is. And I was like, you know what, let's leave that for the future, because if you suffer so bad, you will always for the rest of your life remember that. We just don't need that. We don't need bad emotions. It's easier to have nice, easier days than fucking horrible ones, and then you just never want to come back. And then leaves like this, we're gonna do a few of them more, and then we're gonna shade them more. I'm gonna add some more probably grays in there to erase that previous one into like that will disappear in the future. This lighter tone is whiting mixed with gray color, so it's a really light gray in a sense. I blasted that with. I did start with 15 mag, then I switched to 14 liner just to see which one wins. 14 liner was winner, and then I switched to 18 round shader to see which one compared that to that wins. And then 18 round shader did the best performance, and then I just carry on using that. So I always try to find like the most efficient way to work rather than just fucking around with the needle. That, you know, if you don't compare to other needles, you don't know which one would be the best. And then that needle was the best, and you can see nice, neat, clean, and it's packed in there. Like I like pushed it in. She felt it. She can approve. And this was a full day from, what did we start? Like 10:30, 11ish, somewhere. Where we are now, about 7ish.
Yeah.
So that makes about 8 hours, I guess, between. Yeah, quite a lot blessed. Maybe you can say how you felt it.
So I felt really comfortable.
The first few hours was absolutely fine. Did help that I took a couple of paracetamol before. And then I think probably maybe the last 2 to 3 hours is where it started to get sore. But I think that's when we was going over some areas and putting the grey in. But overall, yeah, I'm really, really happy. I'm glad I've done it.
How's the lines versus the pack in black?
What do you mean? Do you mean the line?
Like when I was pulling those chunky lines and then doing the black. No, actually, I lined and I blacked out at the same time.
Yeah, it's fine.
I was doing one by one. Yeah.
Yeah, it was fine. It was absolutely fine. I think probably just in the knee ditch area, and then when you did the grey, that's where it was brutal. But overall, I would do it again. Well, I will be doing it again.
Any suggestions for other people?
Just be careful with making choices of what you want to tattoo, basically.
You can give a little backstory. How did you end up here?
So I got these done when I was 18 years of age. Just quick, rash decisions, just literally let the tattoo artist pick whatever they want and do whatever they want. And then 10 years later, I finally found an artist who's able to understand my visions and understand what I want to do, and just, I don't know, give me more confidence, I guess, and improve what I've already got and work on a style that is more suited to me now than what I was when I was 18. So, yeah.
I bet it's a massive change when you walk in, you're like, fuck that, I don't want to see. I bet you want to walk out now and show everybody.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I bet it's like a flip of a coin.
Yeah, massively, absolutely. Like, just seeing those magpies and the script gone is already made me feel so much better. Like,
yeah, nobody would know that was there.
Yeah, no, 100%.
There's no signs of the script.
Yeah, none at all. It's perfect. I'm so excited to.
I wouldn't even know where it was. I wouldn't be able to tell you.
Yeah. No, I'm really excited to carry on and get more done. Yeah.
Well, it's good.